wood carving brings it to life. It makes it bright and dynamic. This time we used acrylics to paint our Iron Man carving. You may also use oil paint, but it is much harder to clean up. It's okay to use oil paint over acrylic, but never paint acrylics over oils. Painting a wood carving can be a time-consuming process. Make sure you have enough time to devote yourself to the painting session. We suggest keeping a spare piece of wood handy to try out your paint before applying it to your carving. We hope you enjoy our videos.